Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Halo Campaign Evolved. Login failed, something went wrong. So here's what you're gonna do. You wanna open the new Chrome tab and go to accounts.microsoft.com and you wanna log in into your Microsoft account. Now go to security. Now click here, manage how I sign in. And here, if you have a text code, you wanna remove it. And you want to enter password or passcode. So you want to click here, you can click add another way. So you want to either do a pin or a security key, and you simply add it. And after you add it, make sure that it's like the one you remember. And after you're done with changing it, you want to exit out of this and save the changes. Now you want to open your Xbox app. Make sure that you are using the same account on your Xbox app as on the Microsoft account. And then simply relaunch the game and see if it works properly. Now, if that didn't fix it, the next thing you can try is go to settings, go to privacy and security, Windows security, virus and threat protection. Now go to manage settings, and now here in virus and threat protection, scroll all the way down till you find exclusions. Click here, add exclusion, and now click add and then add folder. And now in here, you want to click on this PC and simply type in here Halo. I don't have it, but I'll show you now for the Minecraft. Now it will find the Minecraft launcher, so you simply select the folder and then add it. You do the same for the Halo. And after you added the exclusion, you want to restart your PC and then the game should work properly. And after you restart your PC, your Halo Campaign Evolved should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Halo Campaign Evolved. Login failed. Hopefully this video helps you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.